Number 1, what is a spontaneous reaction? Spontaneous reaction does not require any external energy to be applied to it in order for the reaction to occur. The corollary of that is number 2, what is a non-spontaneous reaction? That is a reaction that requires the insertion of additional energy from an outside source in order to have the reaction proceed. Number 3, indicate whether the following processes are spontaneous or non-spontaneous. Liquid water freezing at a temperature below its freezing point, that is going to be a spontaneous reaction. That's going to occur without any additional energy. Liquid water freezing at a temperature above its freezing point is going to be non-spontaneous. That will require additional energy to be inserted in order to make that liquid water freeze. The combustion of gasoline, I would call that non-spontaneous. I believe gasoline needs a spark, some insertion of additional energy in order to get that gasoline to ignite. A ball thrown into the air is non-spontaneous. It requires additional energy to be thrown in the air. A raindrop falling to the ground is a spontaneous process. It does not require any additional energy. It will simply fall to the ground due to gravity. Iron rusting in a moist atmosphere, that is a spontaneous process. It does not require any additional insertion of energy from an outside source. Number 4, a helium-filled balloon spontaneously deflates overnight as helium atoms diffuse through the wall of the balloon. Describe the redistribution of matter and/or energy that accompanies this process. Well, the helium is going to redistribute. This is a spontaneous process. And the helium atoms are more ordered inside the balloon, and they are looking for more disorder. So as they migrate outside of the balloon, their energy will reduce. Number 5, many plastic materials are organic polymers that contain carbon and hydrogen. The oxidation of these plastics in air to form carbon dioxide and water is spontaneous. However, plastic materials tend to persist in the environment. Explain. In the plastic, the carbon and the hydrogen are basically locked together. So they will persist in the environment because they require additional energy to be inserted in order to break those bonds.